Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulidia Najihan Lutfia with registration number 17 088 25 126, Master of Management Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University, 2026. I'm here to present about the seminar proposal seminar, the effect of transformational leadership style, work environment, and work discipline on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. Okay, this research has a background. That background is various organizations in Indonesia are navigating in increasingly dynamic business landscape characterized by intense competition, technological change, fluctuating customer expectation, and persistent demands for efficiency. In this context, human resource as a company resource that plays a crucial role in its effectively have a responsibility to manage the operation of both human resource and other resource more effectively by Septiani et al. 2023. This is present about the engagement in Indonesia, employee engagement, low engagement. The next background is by phenomenon or problem that low performance is influenced by less than optional transformational leadership, a less than conducive work environment, and even work discipline and low motivation. Okay, next is problem formulation. There is 10 problem formulation. First one is, does transformational leadership style influence employee performance at PT Bestindo? Second, does the work environment influence employee performance? Third, is, does work discipline influence employee performance? Fourth, does motivation influence employee performance at PT Bestindo? Five, does transformational leadership style influence motivation? Next one is six, does the work environment influence motivation? Seven, does work discipline influence motivation at PT Bestindo? Eight, does for transformational leadership style influence employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo? Nine, does the work environment influence employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo? And the last one is the 10. Does work discipline influence employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo? There is 10 problem formulation, and the next is research purpose. Research purpose from this research is to understand, examine, and analyze 10 of research purpose. First one is the influence of transformational leadership style on employee performance at PT Bestindo. Second, the influence of work environment and employee performance. The third is the influence of work discipline on employee performance, the influence of motivation and employee performance, the influence of transformational leadership style and motivation. And six is the influence of work environment on motivation. Seven, the influence of work discipline on motivation. Eight, the influence of transformational leadership style and employee performance through motivation. Nine, the influence of work environment and employee performance through motivation. And the last one is the influence of work discipline on employee performance through motivation at PT Bestindo. The next one is supporting theory. Supporting theory that's variable definition and indicator. That's variable from variable y. That's employee performance. That the definition according to Rifai and Ali. 2020 employee performance is measured based on how well employees carry out their duties and responsibilities correctly and effectively. The indicators that from Robin and Judge 2029 includes that's quality work, quantity of work, punctuality, and effectiveness and independence. The next supporting theory for variable X1, that's transformational leadership style, according to June et al. 2023. There's transformational leadership is a process which leader inspire and motivate followers to embrace and implement organization innovation and change by in changing their commitment and readiness to act beyond ordinary task expectation. That's indicator, according to Theo et al. 2022, as follow: idealist influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual simulation, individualist consideration. Next variable is variable X2, that's work environment, according to Priscilla and Giuliani 2024. The work environment includes the physical and physiological condition of the workplace, which together create a conducive atmosphere that has been proven to contribute positively to employee efficiency, effectiveness, and productivity. That's indicator according to Points and Sanchez 2023. That's physical environment, social environment, skill and direction, prospect and earnings. Sorry. The next variable is X3, that's variable discipline, work discipline. According to the definition, according to Amin et al. 2020, work discipline is the attitude of respect, behavior, and complaints of employees toward all rules in the workplace. Without discipline, the vision and mission can't be achieved. There's an indicator according to Nawir et al. 2024 as follow: attendance and punctuality, compliance with rules and procedure, work productivity, work quality, and work behavior and attitude. The last one is variable Z, or variable work motivation. According to Fo et al., the definition work motivation is a psychological drive that arises from the fulfillment of basic needs: autonomy, competence, social connection, and social condition, which direct and sustain an individual effort toward work goals. The indicator from work motivation, according to Hidayat and Sari 2021, this is achievement, recognition, responsibility, development, and the work itself. Okay, the next one is previous research. This previous research are 10 previous research. First one is the effect of transformational leadership on employee performance from Christianti et al. 2024. The influence of transformational leadership style on employee performance case study of the PT AMF. That research indicates the transformational leadership style has a significant impact employee performance. Next one is work environment on employee performance from Miftahuddin 2024. That's in the presentation and the discussion is the influence of the work environment on employee performance at PT PLN Distribution Jakarta Raya. The study show that there's a partial influence of the work environment on employee performance at PT PLN Distribution Jakarta Region. Next one is work discipline on employee performance from Sibang Riang et al. 2025. There is analysis of work discipline, job certification, and work loyalty on employee performance at PT Perkebunan Nusantara 4, Regional 1, Medan. This study found that work discipline has significant effect on employee performance at PT Perkebunan Nusantara 4, Regional 1, Medan. Next is motivation toward employees' performance. From Roof, analysis of working life balance, work motivation, and work environment on employee performance. This study states the work motivation has been proven to have a positive effect on employee performance. And the five is transformational leadership style on motivation from Sapri et al. 2025. The influence of transformational leadership on employee work motivation in is Rasanaya district research so that transformational leadership doesn't have a significant effect on employee work motivation. The next previous research is work environment and on motivation from Matualaga et al. 2024. The influence of the work environment on employee work motivation at at the Manado City Regional Finance and Asset Agency. This study indicates the work environment has a positive and significant effect on employee work motivation at Financial and Asset Agency of Manado City. And seven is work discipline on motivation from Hayat et al. From Hayat et al. 2024, there is the influence of work, climate, and discipline on employee work motivation. These studies that the work discipline has been proven to have a positive effect. The next is the effect of transformational leadership style on employee performance through motivation from Nurlela et al. 2025. The influence of transformational leadership style on employee performance through work motivation. That study found that transformational leadership has a positive effect on employee performance through motivation. The next one is the work environment on employee performance through motivation from Marsudi. Analyze of the influence and work environment and performance with motivation as a mediating variable on educational personnel at the Faculty of Engineering 11 Maret University. That research state the work environment has a significant effect on employee. And the last one is the work discipline on employee performance through motivation. Al Ansori 2024, the influence of work discipline on employee performance through motivation is intervening variable at Perunda Tirta Karujuhan Malang. This study that work discipline has a positive effect on employee performance. The next one is Richard's hypothesis. There is a picture to describe about 10 hypotheses. First hypothesis is there is an influence of transformational leadership style on employee performance. Next is the second is there is an influence of work motivation on employee performance. Third, there is influence of work discipline on employee performance. Fourth, there is influence of motivation on employee performance at PT Bestindo. Five, there is an influence of transformational leadership style and motivation. Next, six, there is an influence of work motivation on motivation at PT Bestindo. Seven, there is influence of work discipline on motivation. Eight, there is influence transformational leadership style and on employee performance through motivation. Nine, there is influence of the work environment on employee performance through motivation. The last one, 10, is there is influence of work discipline on employee performance through motivation. Okay, this is the research method. This research method time and place research, population sample, data collection techniques, data analysis techniques. The time and place of research. The time is from March until September. The location at PT Bestindo, the headquarters and two branch. The population, all of employee PT Bestindo, 250, uh, 2055 employees, and the sample of employee, 156, data collection by questionnaire, and data analyzed by SAM-LS. Okay, so thank you. This is the presentation of proposal seminar of thesis by me, by Maulidia Najihan Lutfia. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.